Hello everyone, this is Numan Shqair. In this session I will introduce to you the TRT, the tax reporting tools. This is one of many systems I developed in the last 20 years. This system is designated to help small businesses and professionals, small corporations or charities to summarize their expenses and prepare for their tax returns in a cost-effective way. In this session, I will quickly introduce to you the various templates available in this system and the reports that you can use. This system does not require any special accounting knowledge or computer or tax knowledge. So let's start by looking at the main menu. In the top here, first thing you need to put your business name, and below it you need to choose the type of tax return you are using. If it's a T1, if it's a corporation, T2, and if it's a charity, it's going to be T3010. Based on this choice, the system then will process all your numbers and entries based on the tax return that you chosen. Below here, I have various options. To the left, information about the system and how to use it, and about me and how to contact me and the use agreement. In the middle here, I have the daily operations, how to record your expenses, your sales, revenues, and how to define your expense account and revenue accounts. To the right here, I have the various reports available: HST returns, statements for an expense account or a vendor, and a summary for the expense account, income accounts, and a summary for the T1 or T2 or T3010, where you need this summary to file your tax return. Below, you will have the set reporting period, and this is where you set the start date and end date for those reports. So once you set this date, all the reports here will be calculated based on this date range that you identified here. In here, the lock period, this is the purpose of this is to prevent making an entry within a period that you already filed. So let's say you have filed your HST return or your T1 or T2, and then you don't want to accidentally make an entry to within that period. So once you set that date there and accidentally by mistake you put a date that is within that period, the system will alert you, will tell you you cannot make entry within that period, it's locked. Okay, so let's look at the various templates here in the daily operations. This is first one is where you define your expense accounts. Second one, this is where you define the income accounts. And next to it is record expenses. This is where you record your expenses, record revenues, and in here I have the various reports. So the HST return, statements, expense summary, income summary, and this is the T1 summary also, all the numbers that you need to file your T1, T2 also, and the T3010 for charities. Okay, so those are the various templates. I will have a separate session how to use each one of them, and by looking at those sessions you will be able to use the system with no problem. Thanks for watching.